2006 woodpecker, haypark. High vinyls.
Lion, 12th overall at the moment. Come pull on up.
Oh, okay.
5 right and 3 left cut over crest bump. 42 left into 2 right.
I'll be fucking tramping here. Twin pumps. Result now.
$30. 20. 15. 15. 10. 5 right, 3 left cut over crest bump. 4, 3, 2, 1. Go. 5 right, 3 left cut over crest bump. 42 left into 2 right opens. Repeat, 2 left into 2 right opens. 2 right opens into 4 right long. 40. 3 left and 5 left over bump junction through posts. Keep it tidy. Posts into 5 left. Posts. 2 right tightens. 2 right tightens. 2 left tight. 2 left tight. 2 right opens. Into 2 right. 2 right into 2 right again. 2 left. Into 2 right opens long flat. 60. Small crest into 6 left. Small crest into 6 left. 60. 6 right bump. 60. 6 right bump. 40. Slow in. 5 left into 2 right tightens. Deceptive. Yeah. Slow in. 5 left into deceptive 2 right tightens. 2 right tightens. 60. Go on. 5 left into 5 right past junction. 4 left over crest bump. Cut drift. 130. 5 right 200. 2 left opens at lane. 2 left opens at lane. 60. Small crest into 3 right. 3 right. Small crest. 2 left. Small crest. 2 left. And 2 right long. Tightens. Repeat. 2 right long tightens. 60. 2 tightens. 6 right tightens. Over crest bump. 6 right tightens over crest bump. And 5 right. And 5 right. And 3 right bump. 3 right bump. 100. Turn 2 left. Don't cut. Turn 2 left. Don't cut. 40. 3 right long opens. 3 right long opens. 2 right tight. 2 right tight. And 3 left over junction. 2 right tight. 3 left over junction. 3 right long. Flat. 6 left over small crest. 6 left over small crest. 60. Small crest 5 left. And 5 right long. Turn late. Hairpin left. Tightens. Turn late. Hairpin left. Tightens. Turn late. 80. 5 left cut into 5 right tightens cut over small crest. Down. 5 right tightens over small crest. Down. 3 right. 3 right and 5 left. Immediate turn hairpin right. 4 left long. Double tightens into hairpin left. Repeat. 4 left long. Double tightens into hairpin left. That's 1 tightens here. 2 right, long, double opens, flat. Double opens. 60. 60, 6 left. 40 down, late, 2 right long. Repeat, late, 2 right long, into 2 left. Late, into 2 left. 5 right flat. 5 right flat. 6 left over small crest. And 3 left cut. And 3 left cut, 100. 5 right long. Repeat, 100. 5 right long. 6 left, stay right into 2 right. 6 left, stay right into 2 right. 40. Get back on it, Bo. 5 left into 6 left long. Over small crest, down. 3 left long. Down, 3 left long. Into 6 right. 3 left long. Into 6 right. 4 left over small crest. 40, turn 2 right. Turn 2 right. 250 down mid. 3 right. Posts outside over crest jump. 40 dip. 3 right over small crest. Plus. 3 right. And 3 right over crest. Small crest. 60. 6 left. Continues and tightens for 100. Repeat. 6 left. Continues and tightens for 100. Into 3 left tightens. Into 3 left tightens. Big cut under tree. Down 4 right flat. And 4 right long. And 6 left over small crest. Flat cut. 100. 6 left crest bump.
Yes.
And 4 right. Small crest. 5 left cut. 5 left cut. 40. 6 right over small crest. Flat. 80 down. 6 right long. 6 right long. 60 down into 3 right. 60 down. 3 right. 3 right. 100. 3 right. 100. 3 left over small crest past junction. What's the exit here, Bo? 150. 6 left over small crest, flat. 80. 80. 3 left cut. 3 left cut. 4 right long continues for 100. Repeat. 4 right long continues for 100. Into and 4 right. 4 right long continues for 100. 4 right and 5 left. Tightens past lane. Into 5 left. 5 left. Tightens past lane here. And 5 left. 100. Turn hairpin left opens. 80. Turn hairpin right long opens. Turn hairpin right long opens. Post inside. And 3 left flat.
Fucking hell.
3 left flat. 5 right flat. 150 up mid. Turn hairpin left open. Repeat. Turn hairpin left open. Up mid 200. 200 up mid. 4 right into 3 left. Repeat. 4 right into 3 left, don't cut. The 3 left, don't cut. 5 right. 130 up mid. 4 right plus. And 6 left long tightens over small crest. Into 4 left. Repeat. 6 left long tightens over crest into 4 left. 4 right. 40. 6 left opens over small crest. And 3 right. Repeat. 3 right. 60. Turn 3 right. Big cut. 60 turn 3 right. Big cut. 40. 6 left continues and tightens for 100. 4 right cut past lane. 4 left. 4 right. 40. 6 left. 6 left. 100. 6 left. 4 right over finish. 4 right over finish. 200.
Fucking hell, boy. Where's that now?
Where's up the fucking thing, huh?
Where's off the clock, mate?
Giving it to her, Shag. Giving it fucking to her.
What's that, mate?
Good on eye.
Camera off. 2006, last stage, render cancelled.